Hello, everyone. Today I'll walk you through the most straightforward way to register for Binance, the world's leading crypto exchange. Click the link below the video to head directly to the Binance registration page. By using that link, you'll receive a 20% trading fee discount along with an additional 20% cashback bonus applied to your account. First, let's set up your account. Clicking the link provided will bring you to the sign-up screen. You can choose to register using either your email address or phone number. Enter your details, then check the box to agree to the terms of service. Click Continue at the bottom. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your chosen email or phone. Simply retrieve that code and type it in. Next, create a secure password. It must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. Your account is now created. If prompted for an inviter code, ensure it is entered before finalizing the process. Next, let's complete the KYC identity verification process. You need to finish this step to enable deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance. Since this requires a face scan, it's easier to switch to your mobile device, download and open the Binance app, then log in. You should be directed straight to the verification section. Confirm your nationality and select your preferred ID type. Whether you use a government ID, driver's license, or passport, the process usually takes less than 5 minutes. Select Take Pictures as your submission method and hit Continue. Photograph the front and back of your ID, ensuring it fits perfectly within the frame. Finally, align your face within the oval on your screen and follow the prompts. Once the scan is done, confirm your personal details, like your name, date of birth, and address, and select your occupation and industry. Review typically takes about 5 minutes, and you can verify your status on your profile screen. To wrap things up, let's enable two-factor authentication, 2FA for extra security. Return to your PC and navigate to Security under the Account menu. Click Manage next to the Authenticator app option. Select Enable Authenticator app and enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will appear on your screen. Now download Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Tap the Open button to launch the app and click the Get Started button at the bottom. For better privacy, you can select Use without signing in. Tap Add a code and then scan a QR code. Scan the code on your PC and a 6-digit Binance OTP will appear in the app. Back on your PC, click Next. Enter that 6-digit code in the Google Authenticator app and hit Submit. You will see a confirmation that your Google OTP is now active. That's it for the Binance sign-up guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. Thanks for watching, guys.